watching Scrap It Up. Thanks for tuning in. We're on another adventure. We're looking for some scrap metal, some resellables. It's a beautiful day. And why don't you come along with us? That would be great.
Get in the van.
That's right. It would help perhaps if I put the brake on, right guys? Let's see if there's actually there's just this part in that sink. I don't want that.
Do you want this ladder with the metal hook on?
No. Is there any metal things? Huh, what's that? Okay. No. Flower box?
Yes, I said. Would you like this?
No. All right, another exercise machine.
This will make you happy.
You know I like the exercise machines. This looks like actually a, no, I guess not. Oh, this is heavy. All right, hold on.
1, 2, 3. Slide. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Howdy. We're just looking for scrap metal.
Snip.
Like that. Here, how about this?
Put it in the plastic bin so it doesn't get mad. There's some more metal down here.
Good.
Makes my day.
There you go.
We just found something like this the other day.
Oh, that trampoline or something.
Excellent.
I think it's like a canopy or something. Get in the van.
Oh, you know we gotta look.
There you go.
All right, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Now we need to snip it. All right, things are going wrong over here. Can they get through here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from a mattress.
Looks like
bored.
Now she'll be happy. Marjorie, we were just kidding. Where's your sense of humor? Said just kidding. Didn't it look like we were just kidding?
We got another one of these bags.
Good.
Here you go.
When I need it.
I got you something here.
I mean, get up to get out. I think I can get
Where? Where?
That's right there.
Oh, he's not looking at us. He probably tried coming to do the same thing. I am on. Nice. Oh yeah. Is there another one?
There's still another.
Good. Excellent. All kinds of stuff. Maybe that was plastic. What's this?
See, almost got you coming back up.
No.
Never enough.
I wonder what this thing was.
I don't know.
How many more?
Looks like one more of those and then a small dolly.
Huh.
Craftsman in its day.
Oh, yeah, it looks all bent up, huh? They always get bent up. Is the whole thing metal or?
No.
Huh.
Oh, it rolls though. When you put it flat, we won't be able to use that.
You want it?
It's up to you.
Because there's not much metal on it. Oh, get it off my hand! All right, is that it?
That's it.
Turn it on the drum.
No, I'm gonna put it on the rolling side. Just move that thing. Move the thing. That's it. Just move it away.
All right, good score.
Nice thing. I got in the dumpster and pulled out 1,000 tons of metal.
Well, I was trying to be nice to you, and you just yelled at me.
I just
so.
didn't move it because I was afraid I was gonna
Okay,
fall.
just trying to be real careful so you wouldn't hurt yourself.
I know, but I was afraid it would slide, and I knew I could step on the other
All
side.
right, we thought we'd start a little bit later today, see if people had more stuff out, but they didn't.
I
But
think we got
combined
quite our
with
share.
these 2 loads that I got, we should have a little load to take to the scrap yard tomorrow. So,
Woohoo!
yay,
Money, money,
so we'll get some
money.
money,
Money.
which we like.
We got the money.
Please pray for our friend who's going through a hard time,
Tim,
Tim. I don't think
Keep
he
him in your-
watches, so
keep him in your thoughts and prayers, please. He just got diagnosed with cancer, and he's far away from home.
yeah.
So we
So
don't
we're worried
know
about
what else
him.
we can do for him right now.
So, but we do know the power of prayer. So if you have a little extra prayer time, please include our friend Tim.
Whatever kind of praying you do, whoever
That's
you
right.
pray to, whatever you believe in, keep Tim in your thoughts, please.
Thank you. All right, let's see if we can get this thing in here. I think we can get it in on this side. Can we get that top part off?
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna get it in there with that in there. Why does everyone always have to make a big deal out of everything? Alright. Could you wiggle the knob so I can get in?
There you go.
You get over here.
Go all the way anyway. Might as well bungee.
What are you doing? All right. Yeah. Oh, I like like this thing too.
Cool stuff.
Now we're getting a load.
We already had a load.
We're getting a little something. So now people are putting their metal out. Their metals. Yay! Aww.
How cute is that?
Oh, it's a rocker too.
Oh, how cute.
Now, oh, my favorite. It's never really only one though. Well, I ain't going through that.
Not going any deeper.
No.
Hey, one is good.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. A lovely piece of art I might use for something.
Let's see, is that metal? Alright guys, I know it's a little dark. I have to check this out. Wow, look at that. All that stuff. It must be all the stuff they couldn't sell. I see some wires. See if you can get that hat. Street approved.
Get the other side of it.
All right,
Not where I am. The other side. It's going to take both of us.
wow, what the heck is this
I
thing?
don't know, but it's really
I
heavy.
got it. Anything else?
All kinds of stuff.
I don't see no metal. LeeAnn, come here. Holy mackerel. Can we get some of it in? This thing. Can we get... This looks like it's aluminum. I want those pieces of aluminum.
Star Wars lunchbox.
Nice. Make sure you give it to you know who. Alright, there's so much
Oh,
stuff.
it's got a puzzle in it.
Crap. It's hard to get at this stuff, guys. All right. Alright, I guess we'll have to come back at another time because we really don't have enough room. Crap. Nice piece of aluminum. All right. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome piece of brass. All right, I'm tired. I'm too tired, guys, to do any more. Can we open up the back and get that through there? Back in the center. All right, everyone, we're on our way to the scrapyard. We got a pretty good load going, considering the prices. We'll see what we get. It's really hot and humid, so it was hard loading it, considering it's September, 13th. It's pretty hot. But we got her done, and we're on our way to the yard. So join us. Refrigerators.
He just started. Yeah.
Hey, how come I thought we didn't take refrigerators here.
If it's a company, yeah.
Should I go back more?
Yeah, you can if you want to.
I mean, it's up to you. I don't care.
I did too. Because I couldn't stand it.
Oh shit! What was that? All right.
No.
But other than that,
But they sure are ugly.
They are.
That was close.
yeah, I don't know where to go to avoid you. Except when you move your hand, we'll be aiming at
I'm in a great mood.
you. Really?
Yep.
You can't tell by the way you came home from work.
Well, I thought it would be loaded by then.
Yeah.
Oh, you went to work at Sheldon now?
Yeah. Yeah, and then I had to load the truck, and then.
Stuff the last 2 times. Too much big stuff. I told her I hate when we do this because you have to unload and reload.
Oh, she went to scrap.
Yes. And we still, there's still stuff that needs to be done. Then she goes to work the next day after I helped her do all this, get it all in. Then the next day she goes to work for 4 hours, expects me to get up, clean the house.
Not clean the house, just get the stuff
If I
in
don't
the.
clean the house, then you say,
But you didn't clean the
You have all day, 4 hours. And then she tracked
She
mud
doesn't
all
clean
over
the
the
house.
house this morning. She put on shoes that had mud clumps in them. So when I got up this morning to
Okay,
go to the bathroom,
LeeAnn.
I'm talking to Leonard. When I got up to go to the bathroom, we pulled off with the
But she,
my wife, she does?
but she
I'm
didn't.
not allowed through the back door. When I get to the back door, my boots or my shoes have to go. There's a bag full of footies that's right
I'm
there.
right here. You're shoving that into my leg.
All right, pull it on out.
So then, after I do that, then I have to do the dishes and clean the kitchen because we have a rodent problem. So I don't want to be eating all the
Right.
piss and shit off. First, then I go outside.
You know what that time of year is.
In the yes.
It's that time of
In
year.
the 90-degree
If somebody tell you they don't have mice this time of year, they're lying. They're lying.
I agree.
But still, you have to clean or else you're going to be eating mouse shit.
Yeah.
So then, I go outside.
It's just that when I used to stay home and take her to work every day, I'd have all that done. No problem.
Ever.
I used to have to take driver to work every day and pick her up.
Once in a great while,
She gets up an hour before I come home.
One time my projectile puked out the window when she left me up and she peeled out. Like, didn't say, are you okay? Do you want to go back home? Okay. She was just mad because she had to drive me. Not even 5 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Now she can't even get the house cleaned.
Y'all sound like me and my wife.
If she
Yep, nobody has ever woke me up to go to work in my life. In my life. Nobody's ever driven me to my job in my
I'm
life.
talking and you're talking over me.
This is aluminum detail. That one.
Oh, cool.
She embarrassed me every time. Most of the time I walk just so.
Oh, sorry.
But then she still says she does it every day.
Every day I had to pick her up. Every day. Or if I wanted to stay home and work on my artwork, which I went to school to do, she had to walk home once, slamming the doors. I can't, every day. Every day, that's all she does is do her hobbies, and I didn't even get to do what I studied. She was so upset that I was working on a project.
She's never sold anything because she won't sell it for under $4.
Yeah, I don't sell it for 50 bucks.
She don't sell it at all.
Yes.
But you can't afford one. No one we know.
No. Not unless you collect art. Okay? How much did you pay a painting for?
It was $875.
See, honey, I'm not I know how much my money.
It's just a fucking bowl. The only picture is a bowl painted real pretty, and she went and got $875 out the bank to pay for it.
And I'm asking for $400 for mine. Big deal. That's okay. I'll work day and night until someone will pay me what I deserve. Day and night I'll do it.
You'll get it.
I don't give a rat. Work day and night.
This needs snips. Just threw all the good stuff in there. So leave some. Maybe all in there.
All right now, Tim, have a good one. If I don't see you tomorrow, have a good weekend. I don't know if I'm working or not. I hope I can. I need that cash day tomorrow.
Is it OT tomorrow?
Every Saturday is just a cash day. It's not overtime. It's paid cash.
Is he trying to lose weight?
Who, Big Tim? Big Tim ain't getting no hell. 300. Yeah,
It's all muscle.
yeah, he's a big guy.
It is. Hey, I haven't seen Dwight around here. Is he all right?
Yeah.
He didn't get fired?
The what?
Being dead?
No.
As worried.
All right, the bitching and yelling time is over. Maybe I'll cut that out.
She'll cut out the parts that make her look bad.
Yeah, right. Sure. I used to cut out the parts that made you look bad and left in the ones that made me look bad. But I don't do that no more.
Our videos are so short, you have to keep adding more to it.
Oh, boy, there she goes.
Yeah.
Careful, this is the real good stuff. Grass and the copper.
All right. All right, you got it? That is funny. All right, how much? $37. I told you. Gotta pack that thing in there. We had 580 pounds, man.
That little pink bag, does it have copper in it too? I don't think it does.
No, I don't think anything's in that little bag. So they gave you the yellow brass?
We got a lot of
Those things from the fireplace thing
almost
were brass?
everything in that box was brass. There was one that was aluminum. Everything else was brass.
All right, we'll definitely have to take that
The rest
apart.
of it was brass.
All right, $37, not too bad. We're pretty happy with that because I sure see a lot of people who, you know, they fill up their pickup truck. It's overflowing.
Oh, look at that tiny tricycle.
Oh.
So cute.
It's overflowing with stuff, and they get $15. So I'm not really sure what's going on. And then everyone's always saying, we know how to sort things
Well,
out.
we had a lot
Trust
of good
us.
stuff.
Yes,
We do
we
all
do
right.
sort our stuff out, and we pick and choose our fights. You know.
Not between us.
Well, not between
the scrap.
But it was hot, so give us a break.
We know you don't like it when we fight, but sometimes we can't always be happy and dancing.
Because
When
that's
it's
the
this hot,
reality.
and there's a lot of physical work to do.
More of a it's a mockumentary of our lives scrapping.
Really, very much labor. And by the way, Ray, we're pretty PG in real life.
Who's Ray?
Oh, Barry.
Barry.
We're pretty PG in real life. So, if you want a G-rated show, I am getting ready to come out with my new show just for kids called Ms. Scrappy's Hodgepodge House. So be looking for that coming soon. And it is completely G-rated, so the little ones will have something just for them. But I don't think we're too offensive for most American children.
No, I think he was just kidding.
Okay. Well,
I don't
anyway,
know. I
it's
mean,
hard to
you
say.
know. Anyways, keep the comments coming. We love you. Thanks for coming along.
Good and bad,
Remember
they
to
all
like
inspire
and
us.
subscribe. Hey, if you're watching the
Share,
videos,
share.
subscribe
Share on all your social
and
media.
share. Love you
And
guys.
If you want to comment just to say hi, that helps our algorithm.
Love you.
Let's do a little song. Scrap, 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 scrap it up. I'll take it.
Woo!